Imagine your meals transforming overnight, sizzling flavors, precise control, kitchen magic at your fingertips. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll reveal the top 5 gas oven ranges of 2025, showing you exactly what makes each one outstanding. Stick with me, links to order are in the description below. At number 5 is COSMO 30-inch. Imagine baking a soufflé that rises evenly in every corner, the kind of result only top-tier ranges deliver. The COSMO 30-inch earned its spot in our top 5 thanks to real performance, not hype. Its 5 sealed burners, up to 18,000 BTUs, let you flare up or simmer sauce like a pro. The 4.5 cubic feet convection oven distributes heat uniformly, solving the exact problem many dread: burnt edges and raw centers. Stainless steel build with cast iron grates gives you that solid, durable feel, far better than some cheaper alternatives in this list. The pros are strong heat control, balanced baking, sleek design. The cons are no glide racks, manual cleaning, and somewhat steep price. Compared to another model we reviewed, it's more reliable but lacks extra convenience bells. In short, if you want serious cooking power and peace of mind, COSMO is a smart pick. But if you need self-clean or extras, explore the rest of our top 5. Stay tuned for the next reveal, you'll love what comes next. At number 4 is FORNO Capriasca. Here's a bold truth. Most ranges promise even baking, yet struggle with hotspots, but the FORNO Capriasca bucks that trend in our top 5 2025 lineup. With 5 brass dual-ring burners, 1,000 to 20,000 BTUs, and an advanced convection oven, it gives you precision for every dish. Its stainless steel body and heavy cast grates exude durability, though some users note cleaning heaviness, a trade-off we accepted over lesser ranges. Its triple telescopic racks and true European convection outshine simpler models in our list, giving you roasts that finish uniformly and cakes that rise beautifully. Buyers report sleek looks and strong performance, though occasional temperature calibration issues appear. The pros are control, build quality, baking consistency. The cons are manual cleanup, heavier parts, calibration quirks. If you value powerful control and are okay with hands-on maintenance, FORNO Capriasca is a confident pick. Want ease of cleanup over raw power? One of the others might suit you better. On number 3 is Line Autograph Edition. Here's something you might not expect. A range that turns your kitchen into a showpiece and performs like a pro. The Line Autograph Edition stands out in our top 5 2025 list for blending power with elegance. Its 6 Italian auto reignition burners, peaking near 22,000 BTUs, offer sizzling responsiveness, while the convection oven ensures cakes and roasts bake evenly. The horizon viewing window keeps you in control without opening the door. Compared to another model in our top 5, this one leans heavier on style customization, polished knobs, matte accents, yet never sacrifices core capability. The pros are exceptional heat control, stylish finishes, solid convection. The cons are no self-clean, premium cost. If you want a range that's as gorgeous as it is capable, Autograph is a bold, confident choice. But if you're chasing ultra-easy maintenance over flair, another option might suit you better. At number 2 is THOR 30-inch. Here's a bold fact that might surprise you. Many 30-inch ranges struggle to maintain full power across all burners, yet the THOR 30-inch in our top 5 2025 line pushes back hard. With 4 sealed burners going from 3,500 BTUs up to 18,000 BTUs, you get blazing heat for searing and gentle simmer where it matters. Its 4.8 cubic feet oven swallows full roasts and multi-dish meals with ease, and that one-piece porcelain spill tray reduces cleanup headaches. This model nails performance where many buyers fear hotspots or underpowered zones. Compared to a range, THOR gives more pure heat at a lower cost, though it does demand manual cleaning and occasional calibration. The pros are punchy burners, roomy oven, sturdy build. The cons are no self-clean, fewer luxury finishes. If you're after raw cooking muscle and are okay doing a bit of upkeep, this is a smart, gutsy pick. But if you want sleek finishes or auto clean, one of the other top 5 might suit you better. Now moving to the last one is KUCHT Professional KNG 301S. Here's a little shocker. Many Pro-style ranges can't maintain steady temperature when pressure mounts, but the KUCHT KNG301S punches above its weight in our top 5 2025 lineup. With dual 15,000 BTUs burners and two 9,000 BTUs ones, you get both explosive power and gentle simmering. Its 4.2 cubic feet convection oven, 22,000 BTUs, produces more consistent bakes than many entry models. You can even swap the oven door and kickplate in under 2 minutes to match any kitchen vibe. Yet it's not perfect, calibration can drift, and cleaning is fully manual. Performance versus durability becomes your deciding factor. Compared to the others, the KUCHT gives more control and style at a mid-range cost. If you value tuning, aesthetics, and solid cooking flexibility, this one's a smart pick. But if you want ultra-low maintenance above all, another model in the top 5 might suit you better. I'd pick KUCHT Professional KNG301S as the winner. Its bold 22,000 BTUs convection oven and dual 15,000 BTUs burners deliver exceptional cooking control and consistency, real strengths for anyone seeking a top gas range. Owners praise its beautiful, professional-looking design and even performance. The ability to swap oven doors and kickplates in minutes adds stylish flexibility. Yes, it requires manual cleaning and occasional calibration, but if you value power, reliability, and aesthetic versatility, this is the smartest pick in the lineup. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best gas oven range 2025. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.